Today we are going to one of the popular destinations to see fall colors in Colorado. Kenusha Pass at 10,000 feet elevation is 1.5 hour drive from Denver on Highway 285. You can see most of the fall colors at the intersection of Colorado Trail and 285 at Kenusha Pass, but to see the best view, you have to hike for about a mile. In this video, I'm going to hike west of Kenusha Pass on Colorado Trail for 1 mile and 400 feet elevation gain. First, I'm going to show you beautiful pictures of hike, and then after reaching the top, I'm going to show you the spectacular view of Kenusha Pass fall colors 360-degree view. Okay.
When the winter is bitter and cold, and the spring is yet to unfold, may your heart be strong and your love remain. Summer sun is beating the ground, autumn's breeze nowhere to be found. May your heart be strong and your love remain. May your love remain. May your love remain. May your heart be strong and your love remain.
El invierno amargo y feroz, la primavera no sabe de vos. Que tu corazón y tu alma permanezcan. Con su color le pegó el sol al suelo oscuro que nada me dio. Que tu corazón y tu amor se quede aquí, que se quede aquí y permanezca en mí. Que tu corazón y tu amor se dejen ver.
Through all the seasons and through all the change, through all the pleasures and through all the pain, may your heart be strong and your love remain. May your love remain. May your love remain. May your heart be strong and your love remain. May your love remain. May your love remain. May your heart be strong and your love remain. When the winter is bitter and cold, and the spring is yet to unfold, may your heart be strong and your love remain. Summer sun is beating the ground, autumn's breeze nowhere to be found. May your heart be strong and your love remain. May your love remain. May your love remain. May your heart be strong and your love remain.
corazón y tu alma permanezcan. Con su color le pego el sol al suelo oscuro que nada me dio. Que tu corazón y tu amor se quede aquí, que se quede aquí y permanezca en mí.
I hope you are enjoying this video. It takes a lot of effort to make these videos. Please show your appreciation by pressing the like button and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.